Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Following that, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. I will go with my Facebook one. And enter your current login method. Following that, just click on this eye icon next to your password in order to see it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!